Welcome to the installation of the Thule 526XT circuit 9mm fork mount bicycle carrier. The circuit bike carrier is a universal mounting rack that can fit either road or mountain bikes that have a 9mm skewer on the front fork. Its mounting hardware is designed to fit round, square, wing-shaped, and factory-style crossbars. To begin installation, attach the rear mounting assembly onto the spine tube by inserting the bolt plate, carriage bolt assembly, and rear clamp friction tab into the spine's tube slot. Next, firmly push the end cap into the spine tube. In the front, place the front nose assembly vertically and loosely thread the front knob assembly onto the post. Begin attaching the circuit to the rack in the rear by separating the bottom bracket. The knobs do not need to be fully removed. Position the top and bottom clamp pad evenly around the bar and tighten both knobs evenly. Next, position the circuit head on the front load bar. When mounting to Thule square bars, be sure the shoulder of the head is centered on the bar. There are 3 notches for the clamp assembly. For Thule square bars it is the first notch, for Aero bars the second notch, and all other bars will vary. While holding the nose lever upright, tighten the front knob bolt underneath the clamp until it feels snug, and make sure the knob is seated properly in the curved notch. Close the lever to fully tighten the circuit head to the bar. There should be firm pressure. If it is too loose or too tight, adjust the knob bolt accordingly. Insert the skewer through the fork mount head. Slide the first end cap onto the skewer with the arrows pointing toward the fork mount carrier. Slide the second end cap onto the square notch on the end of the skewer. Push the first end cap toward the end of the skewer so it snaps into place. To attach the bike, place the fork onto the skewer at a vertical downward trajectory. Turn the skewer adjustment dial clockwise and close the black lever until it closes firmly. Be sure not to over-tighten. Now position the wheel chock underneath the middle of the wheel. Pull the strap over the rim and position the rim protector directly over the rim. Insert the strap through the buckle and pull firmly. If you have the black plug in the skewer, you can turn it clockwise as a safety precaution to lock the skewer lever in place. If you purchase an additional lock core, remove the black plug by turning it back 90 degrees counterclockwise and insert the lock core into the skewer housing and lock into place. Thank you for watching the installation of the Thule 526XT circuit fork mount bike carrier. If you have any further questions, please visit our website or call us at 800-272-5362.